Hello, you are on the Electrician Ukrainian channel. My name is Alexander. In this video we will look at a new series of connectors from the WAGO company that help quickly and most importantly reliably repair damaged cables and wires. Therefore, I recommend that you watch this video from the beginning to the last minute. Not only so that you don't miss all the important moments, but also to take part in the context for connoisseurs of the history company WAGO and receive a set of socks with the logo of our channel as a prize. Let's go ahead. Some of you may say, how many times can you say about that? Yeah, there are really thousands of videos about WAGO on YouTube, but let's take a look at the results of a recent poll on our channel. Here are the answers to the question, do you use WAGO terminal blocks in your work? 57% of subscribers use WAGO when it's necessary. 21% constantly use WAGO in their work, and 21% never use WAGO at all. Therefore, 78% of electricians have a need for WAGO. Namely, the new WAGO fast-liner wire connectors are designed for the following situation. Situation number 1. You need to increase the wires because they are short. For example, when the electrical installation in the apartment was performed before plastering and, as a result, the cable is short. Installing the switch in this case isn't easy. And what about cross switch? What about dimmer? The sequence of actions with WAGO terminal block is very simple. Remove 10 mm of insulation from the wire, put WAGO connectors on the prepared wires of the length you need, and then connect them to the cable. We connect the switch, everything took 3 minutes. Classic WAGO terminals aren't very suitable for such case because they take up space and require more time for further install switches in the socket, and WAGO linear terminals are exactly what is needed. Situation number 2. Necessary to connect the wires of the cable located in the wall, and again WAGO will help us. Everything isn't difficult. We remove the top layer of insulation, then we remove the insulation from the wires. We put on a heat shrink tube for further insulation of the cable in the wall. We connect liner connectors WAGO. As you can see, the connection is very reliable even when a force is applied to break it. Next the tube, heat shrink, and here is the result, fast and compact. And the main thing is reliable, and you don't need to be a super electrician, have soldering skills, welding machine and other possessions. It will take 10-50 minutes for all the work. Now regarding the quality of such connectors with WAGO terminals. The nominal current for which the terminals are designed is 32 ampere. The maximum possible cross-section of the wires 4 square millimeters. Given that there is a solid place inside the terminal, the resistance of such connection is actually the same as the resistance solid wire. It is quite difficult to pull the wire even from the terminal that has clamps. You can check it yourself when you have the opportunity. Next situation number 3. Necessary to repair the cable in the wall, which has different lengths of wires. Here WAGO terminal simply helps to get out of difficult situation very easily. You install the terminals on the one side of the cable and for the short wire select the required length in order to make all the wires of the same length as possible, and the heat shrink tube lay flat on the connection points. Connect the wires, check the reliability of the connection. The tube is heated. Here is the result of the work of WAGO terminals, reliable and culturally. The alternative in this case, I think, is only soldering when the cable is in the wall, and also work it well, it isn't easy to do such job. Let's go further. Where else WAGO can be useful? This is connection for monolithic wire and stranded wire. Such task becomes very simply with WAGO. Remove the insulation and insert a stranded wire on one side and a solid wire on other side. The transparency of WAGO terminals allows you to see and assess the reliability of the contact connection. If necessary, you can open the terminal and disconnect the wire. And for temporary connections of stranded wires, this is probably the only reliable solution. If necessary, WAGO has special platforms and boxes for placing liner connectors. Another useful application of WAGO: quick connectors in electrical panels. This is when one of the wires turned out to be short, and the wire doesn't reach the neutral bus. The work takes 2 minutes, and the result is the same as if you installed a terminal block on a DIN rail, which takes up more space and costs more. The advantage of using WAGO quick terminal blocks is the reliability of the contact connection. It takes up little space and there is no need for a special tool. Simple check of the correct length of installation stripping thanks to the distance shown on the terminal block. The connector doesn't take up much space for use due to extremely small dimensions, only 29 mm. Simple check of the correct connection of the conductor using the transparent housing. Connect the wire and you are done. Well, it seems that this topic is all. Write in the comments, please, what experience you have of using WAGO terminal blocks and connectors. And now a small context of connoisseurs of WAGO company history from our channel. 3 subscribers who will be the first to give a meaningful answer to my question will receive such a gift from our channel, a set of socks with a logo. The answer should be meaningful, so what are you ready for? Attention question. During which game in 1950 the founders of WAGO decided to create a company for the production of terminal blocks? And what were the names of these people? Do you know? Quickly write the answer and get a prize. If you liked the video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to our channel and share our video among your friends in social networks. Let's help Ukrainian YouTube channel. See you in our channel. Bye bye.